Let's make dinner in 30 minutes. First, we're gonna preheat the oven to 400. You're gonna get some foil, and you're gonna get a baking tray. Measure the foil. It should be the length of your trout. Place the foil on your baking tray. Dull side up. Next, we're gonna get the trout. You're gonna take the trout out of the packaging. You're gonna place it in the foil, then rub a little oil over it. Olive oil is what I prefer. And then you're gonna season it. I'm gonna be using salt, pepper, and dill. Black pepper to be specific. Now with the foil, I'm gonna make it so it's a tent. I'm gonna tent the foil. When I fold it, I'm gonna put both sides up, merge the edges, and fold them over. The oven is done preheating, and here we have our tinted trout. And now I'm just gonna slide it in, and we're gonna give it 30 minutes to bake. While we wait for the trout to cook, I'm gonna work on my veggies and starches. So I'm gonna be using instant potatoes to save time, and they're the ones I just really like. I don't really like raw potatoes or fresh potatoes as much, so instant is the choice for today. Then we're gonna cook the veggies. For the potatoes, you're gonna need 4 cups of boiling water. While we wait for the water for the potatoes to boil, I'm gonna just microwave my peas and carrots. I bought a steamable bag to save time. So I'm just gonna pop these right in the microwave. Now that my water's starting to boil, I'm gonna transfer the water to a heat-proof bowl, and then I'm gonna add my potatoes. Today I'm using Idahoan Baby Reds. These are my favorite. They're so flavorful. I don't have to do anything to them once they're mixed. Be careful. Be sure to mix quickly because the potatoes do set up very fast. But don't splash. Already, peas and carrots are done. So already they're thickening up to where I can actually hold the bowl up and it's potatoes. I'm just gonna stir a little longer. That's it, and then I'm gonna cover the potatoes and let them sit for about 5 or 6 minutes to set up fully. Potatoes are done. I'm gonna empty my peas and carrots into a bowl. Careful, it's hot. You see the steam? I use 2 bags, by the way. One bag usually doesn't have enough for multiple days of servings. Now we're just waiting on the trout to finish cooking up. Have about 8 minutes left. Okay, the moment has arrived. It is time to take out the trout. Okay, let's check on it. Be careful because of the steam. The steam will come out of this foil and burn you. So I like to usually start by opening the sides so the steam can go out sideways. You see it? And go to the other side. Ooh, look at all that. Let's check on our trout. Keep your hands moving. Don't get burned. Oh, wow. Looks good, guys. And as you can see, I don't have to test it with a fork. It has started to flake right here on its own and slide apart. All that white stuff, I believe, is calcium from the fish. But this is the trout, ready to eat. So this is your complete meal in 30 minutes. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.